Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this multifunctional vacuum cleaner from the manufacturer to do a review. It's primarily designed to vacuum and clean vehicles, but you could also use it to clean tight places in your home as well. So let's open it up, look at its features, and give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. You have a quick start guide, additional instructions in other languages. Okay, here's the vacuum cleaner. So let's look at that in detail in a moment. Okay, taking a closer look at all the components, it came with a couple of long suction nozzles with brushes on the end, a couple of short blow nozzles, USB Type-C, charging cable, a high efficiency particulate filter, a HEPA filter, and then a storage bag as well. Then looking at the vacuum cleaner, very ergonomically designed. You have the on-off switch here. You have the dust bin container here. To empty that, you just press this little button in here and the lid will spring open. And then you just simply dump the dust contents out. Then to close it, it just snaps back into place. And to change the filter, you just twist this cap off, and then you can grab the filter here. This particular filter, you can rinse it off and reuse it again. Then, as I stated earlier, it comes with a HEPA filter as well if you like to use that instead. You just seat the filter back in place. Then you just align the filter back and then give it a quarter turn to lock it in place. Okay, to turn it on and off, you have a switch here. Press it once. It will be the slow speed. This end is the suction end. This end is the blow end. So in some cases, in order to get dust and so forth out of tight crevices, you may have to do a quick blast to get it out. Press the button again. It's the medium speed. Press it a third time. It's the high speed. Very powerful velocity. Press it again for off. Okay, so it has those three speeds. You press 3 times, and then after the third time, it turns the vacuum cleaner off. Then here on the end is where your charging port is to power it up. So you plug the Type-C into your charger, and it will take just a little bit less than 2 hours to fully charge the vacuum cleaner. So you want to make sure it's fully charged before use. Also, you have an LED light here. As I stated, it's primarily designed for the vehicle. So if you need a light, then you have the LED light here. Then if you need an emergency red light, this will also display the emergency light. So to do that, you just press and hold the power button one time, hold it down for 2-3 seconds, and you'll have the bright light. Press and hold it down a second time, you have the flashing red emergency light. Press it down the third time and hold it, and it will turn the light off. So short presses will turn the vacuum cleaner on. Long presses will function the light off and on. Okay, so to attach the vacuum wands, you have the open vacuum port here on the top. You just simply insert that in, and then you're ready to vacuum with the brush. So you can use different attachments. To do the blast, just put this on the bottom side, and then you have a blast of air. You can get in the crevices. So you blast it on one, and you can vacuum on the other simultaneously. So let's give it a try. Then to empty the bin, which you can see has some debris in it, just open this up, empty the bin. This filter can be rinsed off and reused once dried. Just place the filter back in place. This definitely proved to be a very powerful vacuum cleaner with the 3 speeds, especially on the high speed. It really does a great job in getting in the little crevices of the vehicle console. I really didn't even have to use the blaster to get the particulates out. It's also good for cleaning blinds, HVAC vents. So I highly recommend this multifunctional vacuum cleaner from Mint House.